Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Ilocos region to enjoy a summer road trip. Number 1, Vegan, Calle Crisoloko. Indulge by walking along the beautiful street of Calle Crisoloko, you feel the reflection of the place's cultural and historical heritage. You can still enjoy riding the calesa and eat empanada in the plaza. The site has maintained its beauty with its preserved architectural structure. As a tourist, you should not miss out the nightlife and fabulous restaurants that offer a variety of amazing Ilocano cuisines that set you on a gastronomic adventure. Number 2, Balurt. If you happen to be an animal lover, this is your place in Vegan. See the animals up close and personal. They also have a butterfly garden and statue of dinosaurs. Number 3, Peggy Pudd, Ilocos Norte. Peggy Pudd is a coastal town in Ilocos, with its captivating beaches and enticing coastlines. When in Ilocos, this is a must-see and enjoy the magnetic white sand beaches. Tourists are in awe of the beaches and the fantastic rock formations. Number 4, Saud Beach. This gorgeous beach and its crystal clear water would naturally attract you, so might as well visit this place also rather than fly to Boracay. The beach itself is really beautiful and peaceful. Come explore Saud early in the morning, at around 5 a.m., and you can buy freshly caught fish sold at a meager price. Number 5, Bongi Windmills. The vast windmills near the beach are simply breathtaking. You will be surprised by how huge the windmills are in real life. The drive from Manila to Ilocos may be exhausting, but the views are worth your time and effort. It is best to come and visit the windmills at around 4 p.m. when it is not too hot to bask under the sun. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.